Ugadi special meal at home. Today I am making mango rice, chana dal vada, beans fry and kosambari. Simple, healthy and perfect for festival cooking. I have also shared holige and holige saru recipe. Check the link in the description below. Now let's get started. First, soak chana dal. Rinse it and soak it for at least 2 hours. And same for kosambari, add half cup of chana dal, 1 cup of moong dal. Wash it thoroughly and soak it for 2 hours. For mango rice, take 1 spoon of jeera, red chilli, green chilli, ginger, mustard seed, coconut, and chop half mango. Add the chopped half mangoes and blend it into a coarse paste. You can grate rest of the mango either using grater or you can grate it from hand. Next, grate the carrots for kosambari. Now take soaked dal in a bowl. Add grated carrot, chop and add cucumber, add cilantro. Now for tadka, add 1 spoon of oil, add chopped green chilies, mustard seed, curry leaves, cilantro, and add in the tadka to kosambari mix. Now add 1 spoon of grated coconut, salt, squeeze in some lemon juice, mix it well. Now kosambari is ready. Let's keep it aside. Now let's make bean fry. Heat oil in a pan, add chana dal, mustard seed, curry leaves, onion, and saute it for a minute. Add chopped green beans. I have added some grated carrot as well. Once green bean is cooked, add salt. Saute it for a minute. Add 1 spoon of grated coconut, some cilantro, and saute. Now beans curry is ready. Let's make mango rice. First, roast peanuts and keep them aside. Now in a same pan, add oil, add chana dal, curry leaves. Once chana dal turns brown, add turmeric. Add ground mango, coconut and spice mixture. Saute it for 30 seconds. Now add grated mango. Now add salt according to your taste. Chopped cilantro, coconut for extra flavor. Now mix in cooked rice and salt. Finally add roasted peanuts. Tangy and flavorful mango rice is ready. Now for crispy chana dal vada, first grate ginger, garlic and green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add in soaked chana dal. And blend it using a hand blender. Make sure the mixture is not too smooth. It should be slightly coarse. Now transfer it to a bowl and add chopped dill, chopped onion, chopped cilantro, salt, and mix everything well. Now make the mixture into a small balls. Make it into a round shape and flatten it before you fry. Some like soft vadas and some like crispy, so make it according to your taste. Make sure fry vadas in a medium flame or medium heat. When vada is half cooked, gently flip it so that vada doesn't break. When vadas are slightly golden brown, so the vada is ready. So remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel. Now crunchy vadas are ready. Serve everything together. Mango rice, beans fry, Kosambari and crispy vada. And don't forget, you can also enjoy this with the holige and holige saru. Link is in the description below. This is such a simple and delicious Ugadi meal. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Ugadi everyone.